And I, as almighty magistrate, decree that this rain that has fallen unceasingly for 7 days and I formally decree that this rain shall end tonight.
Does he really think he can order the rain to stop falling from the sky?
Shh! It is not our place to question the magistrate's rules, only to ensure that they are well written and...
Hey! Stop it! Move over! You move over! Ouch! Quit pinching! Ouch! This is my pillow. Go sit on your own pillow, Huangdo. Ow! Mama, Huangdo hit me. I barely touched you, Bado. You're such a baby.
Oh, rain, rain, rain. Nothing to do. Everybody getting so crabby and cranky. Dongwa, Sheegwa, cut it out!
We were just playing.
I am not a toy.
Toys for sale! 卖玩具啦 ！Toys for Raining Day! 卖玩具啦 ！Toys for sale! Toys for Raining Day!
Toys!
Now, Pang, you leave Ping and Pong alone. As soon as this rain lets up, we'll go outside for a nice little... A common peddler? Here? Off with you! Shoo! Shoo, shoo, shoo!
Oh, Mama, please buy me this Xiyuan. It sounds so pretty. And I want this Gaga.
Peddlers are strictly forbidden on palace grounds. All appointments must be arranged and approved in advance.
Most honorable lady, one can never tell when it will rain, and the children need toys on a rainy day.
Look, a landling. Can I have this, Mama? Woof, arf, arf.
Ping, Pang, Pong! Down, boys. It's only a mask, only a landing. That should be more than enough for your cheap toys. Now, off with you!
Oh, what's this? 3 playful kittens. And without a thing to play with. Oh, well. I just happen to have some kittens-sized toys here. You look to me to be a curious cat. What will it be like to fly? For you, a meow, a little bird. And you look like a fierce fellow who likes to run about. Well, for you, a fierce dragon kite. A Feng Zhen. Ah, I see that you like to spin and spin. For you, a Tolio, a top. Oh, don't worry. This rain will end soon. I've just come from the north, and there is a snowstorm coming this way. Oh, you mean you've never seen snow? Oh, it's beautiful.
Is that ragged peddler
Oh?
still here?
Enjoy your toys, huh?
Look! My bird can fly!
It can't fly as high as my dragon. This kite is nice, but I was really hoping for firecrackers.
Why?
Oh, 'cause firecrackers go...
Go what?
Bang! Made you jump.
Dongwa, that was not funny. Sheegwa, that's not how how you play with a top. I'll show you. You coil your tail around the top of the top like this, and then pull.
Let me try. Look, I did it. It's spinning.
No, like this. You have to coil your tail just right.
Okay. I'll do it now.
Not like that. You haven't been paying attention. Your tail is too stubby to make it spin fast enough. So I'll just do it for you. Sheegwa, don't touch my meow. It's very delicate.
Well, you won't even let me play with my own toy.
I'm just trying to show you how to do it right. Now, if you don't want to learn...
I know how to play, you know. You're so bossy.
The tighter the coils, the faster the spin.
I'm going to run away.
We'll find you. We know all your secret hiding spots.
Not if I go outside.
Don't forget your umbrella.
Woof, woof. Woof! I mean snow! Snow! Oh!
Roar! Roar! It was scary the first time, Donghua, but... Oh! What is that? Huh? The peddler was right. This must be snow.
My sincerest apologies to the magistrate. He did make the rain stop. Where's Sheegwa? She should see this. Sheegwa! Sheegwa! Sheegwa!
Sheegwa ran away. Again.
Oh, Sagwa. You weren't bossing her around, were you? Again?
I wasn't being bossy. I was just trying to show her how to spin her top. She was doing it all wrong.
Well, I'll go check her hiding places. And don't you two go out into that snowstorm until it's over. Sheegwa! Sheegwa! I can't find her anywhere.
Not if I go outside.
No, she couldn't have. She wouldn't have. Oh, Sheegwa! Oh, it's all my fault. I should have just let her play. Hang on, Sheegwa. I'm coming. Keep... Oh, Sheegwa, you silly thing. Oh. Sheegwa! 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 Oh. That could have hit me. Sheegwa! Sheegwa!
Sheegwa!
Sheegwa! Where are you?
Sheegwa!
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 Sagwa, where are you?
Oh, don't tell me they've both run away.
Sheegwa! Sheegwa! Whoa! Whoa! Sheegwa's paw prints!
Sheegwa!
Sheegwa!
Sagwa! Sheegwa!
Sheegwa, where were you?
And my bed took a nap.
Have you seen Sagwa?
She's probably playing with my top.
Huh? What? Oh, I've been following my own paw prints. And they're still looking for poor little Sheegwa. Wait, they're calling for me.
Sagwa, where are you?
Sheegwa, you're safe. Oh, I'm sorry for being so bossy.
Wow, what's that stuff?
When did you get back? I was looking all over for you out there.
I never went outside.
Sagwa, I told you not to go out into that storm.
But I was looking for Sheegwa. You mean you were here the whole time? Well, you must have had lots of time to spin your top. Come on, show me how.
You were really out in a snowstorm? Wasn't it cold?
Oh, a bit. But I'm really warm now.